Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make use of slides in FL Studio. The main way to do this, the usual way to do this, I suppose, and it doesn't work with everything, but usually you would you would do a slide by taking a note, the note that you want to start on, and then put it down to the note that you want to slide to, and you can either go up here and click this, which will turn this into a slide note, or the note you want to slide to, or you can just leave it the way it is and click and hold, and then it'll slide. An example of, I guess, a way that you could do it without doing that, you just have a note, and without using the slide note, you could do a pitch, use an automation clip to do a pitch shift. So let me just move this stuff. And we'll have it pitched down. Alright. Damn. So go here. Alright, so we got our note here. Now regularly it would sound like this. But if you did a pitch shift this way, it'd sound like this. And usually you can locate the pitch up here. You can change the range that the pitch shift occurs. You can shift that by increasing the range, and that'll just make the pitch shift more severe, I guess. Well, here it doesn't, but let's redo that. Create automation clip. So yeah. But yeah, it'll be more severe, and you can change the range all the way up to 48, all the way down to 1 or 2 or whatever. But usually you're going to be able to do the slide from within the piano roll. An example of something you could do with slides and how it could change your music in general would be here, which is a remake of Caro Caro Benito's Flamingo.